Today, I will show how to make an iron rose. I learned it from my middle school's teacher. I still can remember that because she is a very nice teacher. She used a class to teach us how to make an iron teacher because of the Mother's Day. So, until now, I still can remember how to make it, and I very love it. Step 1. Prepare some the metal. This is the golden iron, different size circle, plastic tape, nipple plitter, zero, cotton thread, and the red socks. Step 2. I use iron to make some circles. I always use the iron to make some circles look like the petal. And the rose is the one kind of the flower have so many petals and pack it together. So I always choose the different size of the circle to make it. In here, I choose 1 mini size, 2 small size, 2 middle size, and 1 big size. Because different kind of the size will make the flower more beautiful and vivid. And when I finish the circle, I will cut it down, and I need to extra 2 centimeters. Step 3. And then I will use the iron with sock to make a petal. I choose the sock is because of if I turn the sock enough tight, and the color will be more light. And when the color is a little bit light, it will make the flower is very beautiful and vivid. So, in this step, I prefer turn the sock and make sure every single circle is enough time. The key is make sure that every single circle is very tight, because when you are not tight enough, the color will get together and look very like a dead flower. Step 4. Cut down the extra sock beside the iron circle. If I didn't cut down extra sock, the flower would like very. So in this step, it's very important to tie the sock with the iron together. If I have not tied it enough, the flower should have broken very easily. Step 5. This is the most hard and important step. Stick the petal together. If I hadn't tied the petal together, I would not have finished the rose. I always use the extra sock to make a rose center, and then I will use the cotton thread to make sure the petal one by one to be stick together. And now I will start from the mini circle, because in the flower center, and then use the mini circle to cover in on there. They will look like the very nature. And I also will use the hand to make the circle look a different shape. And then tie it on the iron. This is the most easy step. You just need to make sure the petal is enough tied together. You can try to make the different shape petal. I want to make sure the rose look like very natural, so I always change the petal shape. You can decide which shape you like, because the petal is always different shape and size. Then, step 6. This is the last step. I will use the plastic tape and tape it in the end of the rose. I will choose the green plastic tape. That will look like real rose. And you can give it to your parents, your family, your lover, This is a very easy way to make a rose. I make this rose just spend about 20 minutes. I can finish one rose. And sometimes I will use so many time to make a lot of rows and tie it together, look like a bunch of the flowers.